Hello, this is Michelle with PaperStampInk. Thanks for stopping by my channel today, where you'll receive tips, techniques, and tutorials to inspire you in your own card making and paper crafting projects. If that sounds like something that would benefit you, don't forget to go ahead and tap that red subscribe button down below, ding the bell, and you'll get notifications whenever I post new videos. Now today, I'm coming to you with a tip on photopolymer stamps and maintaining them. Now, has anybody else had a stamp, one of their photopolymer stamps, that just seemed to lose its stick? You couldn't get that thing to stick to the block, or it might stick partially and then it would start falling off when you're in the middle of stamping. Well, I love the Daisy Delight stamp set, and you will see when I open this up that it is well loved. A lot of these stamps have some staining on them, which is just fine because that does not damage the way of a stamp. It's just the ink transferring, but they're still going to work just fine. Well, I have used this quite a bit, and between use and I'm pretty sure from taking it on a camping trip that I went on, where I wanted to be able to do a little bit of crafting in the downtime, it's got a lot of grit on it, and these just aren't wanting to even stick to my sheets in here. So let's pull one of these. So if I stick this on here, it's probably going to stick okay, but not, I mean, look at how easily that comes off. So it's very, very easily going to possibly come off when I'm doing my stamping. So what can we do about that? Well, you're going to grab a cotton ball and some rubbing alcohol. This is just from our medicine cabinet. It is the 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol, and we're just going to come in and we are going to clean off the back of that stamp and get rid of all of the grittiness. And I can already feel how smooth that it's just got a different texture. I'm going to go ahead and come in and do this one as well. Now, it does take a little bit of time to let that alcohol dry before you can start sticking them back to your blocks, but I've got this one. This was not sticking to my block at all, and I went ahead and treated this one just before starting the video, so it should be dry enough. And let's go ahead and give it a try. It is sticking much better, and look, it's not necessarily holding that whole block up, but it is definitely not coming off as easily as it was before. So just a quick tip for you: get that rubbing alcohol out and clean off the backs of your stamps if you're having a problem with those photopolymer stamps. Don't forget to grab your paper, stamp, and ink and get creating. Thanks for stopping by.